Style girl, welcome back to my channel. My name is Danielle if you're new here, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you my favorite at-home maintenance products. Okay, style girl, let's get right into it. I'm dishing on the products that I use to maintain all of this because I don't know if you know, but in case you don't, I like to do my maintenance by myself as much as I can. One, it saves money. Two, to me, it's kind of therapeutic. I like to dedicate that time alone that I get to just like do my nails, do my lashes. Then when I finish, I feel so good and I look good. And I mean, I feel good also because the money's in my pocket, but I feel good because, I feel clean, I feel ladylike, I feel feminine. But yeah, so if you're a DIY girl and you like to do your home maintenance, or if you want to learn how to save a dollar or two or hundreds, this is the video for you. So the first thing that I love to do as of recent is my hair. I do not go to the hair salon. I have not been to the hair salon since I cut my locks off. I don't really have any plans to go to the hair salon unless I'm going to get braids or whatever. But my go-to style is a wash and go. I do it every 4 to 5 days, and I have finally gotten my process down. For me, the Do products have been life changing. I did not know how to do my hair. When I cut it off, I was lost. That's why I went and got braids. But when I came out those braids, I found the Do, and the Do loves me, and I love the Do. I use 3 products from the Do line. Their defining gel, their texture foam. I also use the curl refresher. And I use these at different points within my wash and go. So after I shampoo, condition, oil, do all the things, I go in with this curl defining gel, and it is so good. I'm already to the bottom and I'm proud. My natural girls, we got a lot of hair, so we need a lot of product. And I love this gel. It does not flake. It defines my curl perfectly. I don't really have to do too much coiling. I can literally just pull it through the strand and it snaps back my curl, and the curl starts to form and it stays in place. It does not make my hair hard, which I don't really typically like unless I need my style to last a little bit longer. The curl refresher, I go in every single day and I spray it. And the special element to this curl refresher is that it has a built-in leave-in conditioner. So if you wanted to, you can use it as a leave-in conditioner. I like to use it on a daily basis to wet and refresh my curls. This special product has the leave-in conditioner in it, so it makes your hair really, really soft and manageable. It doesn't leave it dry. It's a really, really nice product. It leaves that hair feeling nice and moist, not sticky, not dry, not hard. It's perfect for refreshing your wash and go. Now the texture foam I use on and off again. It gives me a different kind of curl. So if I want something that is more voluminous, I'll use my texture foam because it allows the texture to really come out in my curls, but it's not as defining for my curls. I use this on and off, but if I had to pick a foam, it would be this one for sure. The last product that I use for my hair to get that salon look and feel and finish at home is going to be my edge control girl. Now, I'm no edge artist, but I have found the edge control of all edge controls. I'm sure you may have heard of it already, but it is by Gummy. I'll link it down below. When I tell you, my edges would not stay laid for any edge control ever. When I had my locks, it was impossible. This edge control keeps my hair laid. In the summer, in the humidity, I wore it in Mexico. Like, girl, this is the edge control that you've been looking for. Trust me, it is a silicone based edge control, so that helps. It's not water based. So if your hair naturally reverts with water, you'll want this edge control because it's silicone based. Genius, like genius. Moving on to nails and feet, or manicure and pedicure. I love to do my nails at home. I usually go to the nail salon to get a pedicure, but most recently I've started doing my pedicures at home. Life changing. I hate going to the nail salon. I hate being stuck in a chair. If I'm gonna be stuck in the chair, I'd rather be stuck in the chair at my house. So I love to do my nails, and I've been doing my nails since I was a little girl, since I was old enough to get a full set. My mom, she didn't have, my mom and dad, they didn't have the extra all the time to send me to the nail salon. At that time, I think the full sets were costing like $30, $40. They were not expensive at all, but we still didn't have it. So I had to be creative and come up with a way to get the look that I wanted. So she took me to the beauty supply store, and she let me ball out at the beauty supply store, and she would let me get these. I always remember buying the Kiss nail kit. I've done the acrylic. I've dabbled in everything nails, DIY, as a kid growing up, and I still love it to this day. I love doing my nails. Okay, enough about me. There are some key products that I feel like if you're going to do your nails at home and you want them to last, you need these things. Let's start with the nail glue. I discovered the nail glue that they use at the nail salon on Amazon. I'll link it down below. You want a strong glue. Now, if you don't need that long of a hold, or if you don't care about how long they last, you don't mind gluing your nails back on randomly when they pop off, nail glue that you find at the nail salon will suffice. But if you need that hold, like if your hands are in water all day, if you're a hairstylist, you need a longer hold or anything, I recommend this glue. I'll link it down below, okay? Most recently, I've been doing the Beetles gel nails, and then I'll alternate with just gluing on the full cover nails. So I will link that kit down below. It is a perfect kit to get you going. It's affordable. I think it's like $20, and you get a light, you get some nails, and then you get the special nail glue, which is a brush on gel nail glue. Very convenient, very long lasting. I'm sure you're seeing all the things on the side, but if you're not into glue, if the glue is not for you and you need something a little bit more convenient, the brush on gel glue by Beetles is going to change your life. It's going to change your life. They feel like acrylic full set, if that's what you're into. They feel like dip powder. They feel like salon quality nails because of this glue. And if you are gluing on your nails, I like to glue my nails on. So I like the full cover nails. I'll use that. You don't have to do acrylic. You don't have to dip in the powder. You don't really have to have like a huge skill set. You just really want to make sure that your air bubbles don't exist underneath your nail. And then, you file and shape and cut to your desired length and shape. And girl, it's a full set. You polish. Speaking of polish, my favorite gel polishes are OPI, and I like the Gelish brand, which is like the OG in the gel polish game. I like to order them off Amazon, and I'll link my favorites down below. OPI is not as accessible on Amazon, but if you're near like a Cosmoprof or something like that and you have a license to shop there, you can get your gel polish from Cosmoprof. I want to say you can order some online. I've found mine at like TJ Maxx randomly. So you can check those places. But if you need nail polish, gel nail polish today, like you can't wait, I recommend shopping at Sally's or going into Ulta. They have a small selection of gel nail polishes. So I got you covered, girl. Like, I got you covered. Moving on to our next maintenance activity is going to be lashes. Yes, girl, I do my lashes at the house. Lashes cost more than nails, like, to keep up. So I was like, I need a way to do my lashes at home. I would do the strip lashes, of course, but who wants to spend all the time putting on strip lashes every day? It can be very, very time consuming, and I just wasn't into that. So I stopped wearing those, and I was just like wearing mascara, but I missed that full like lash effect. So I discovered Falscara by Kiss, and I've been hooked ever since. I started off using their kit. I'll put it over here. The things are over here and down here. And I started using their kit. I used the lashes that came with the kit, but it just wasn't giving me that like drama that I wanted. I like a full lash with a smoky lash line. So I want that look all the time. I just love it. Okay. I just love it. So what I did was I started buying lashes that I liked as a strip lash, and I would just snip them in half or snip them in sections and apply the Falscara lash bond and seal with those lashes. Kiss is hands down my favorite brand for lashes at home. Whether you're doing the strip or the individuals or whatever, they just have everything. They make it super convenient for you to be able to pull this off at home by yourself. I got my Falscara kit from Ulta. It comes with all the things, the tweezer, it comes with the lashes, it comes with the balm, the seal, and they even have like this kit that comes with an element to extend your lash life. Sign me up. Sign me up. These I've had on for at least 4 days. So they last, and I really, really love them. Moving on to hair removal. I am in love with my wax kit that I get from Flamingo, and it's super affordable. Okay, first off, it's like $10 for a whole bunch of wax strips. It comes in a kit. You have your remover, your actual wax strips, and then you have your actual wax strips, and then you have instruction manual. You have like the cloth to clean off the wax. You have even this calming serum. Girl, the wax kit is everything you need. Very convenient. Now, I'm going to put this disclaimer out there. If you are wolfing it, like if it's been a while and you've got a lot of hair, I don't recommend using this particular kit for hair removal. This is more so for like touch-ups and maintenance. So what I like to do, or what I have done, is I'll go to get a wax service and have them do my initial wax, and then from there on it's like maintenance. Okay, it's small amount of hair removal here and there. I do my underarms, I do my bikini, and I do my upper lip all at home with this one wax kit. It is amazing. For my legs, and I only shave my legs, so for my legs I do use the Flamingo razor. I just love the brand. I love their products. They're affordable, they're aesthetically pleasing to the eye. It's just a game changer if you're into at-home maintenance. I've only seen Flamingo sold at Target and then also on the business's website. But if you haven't already and you have something coming up and you really need to just touch up, you don't need to book a whole waxing service, I would definitely recommend you try out this brand because it's just easy. It's just like a no-brainer. You're in the comfort of your own home. Now, it does hurt. It's waxing, it's pulling on the skin. It's exfoliation. So I'm not going to say it's painless, but if you are like me and you've been waxing for years, then it's nothing. Girl, it's nothing. There's nothing to it. Okay, style girl, that concludes the dish on all the products that I use to maintain this beauty at home by my little self. Let me know in the comments how you like this video. Was it helpful? Like, talk to me. Talk to me in the comments. What do you use that I mentioned, or what do you use that I did not mention? Because I'm always looking to improve my at-home maintenance routines. And I'm a product junkie, so I want to try the things. Also in the comments, let me know if you have any video recommendations. I would love to make sure that I'm giving you the content that you want and that you need. And if you need something like right now, like after this video, like immediately, I don't want you to go too far. On the end screen, I will insert some video recommendations. Until next time, style girl. Bye.